turn the key.
Opens up.
Here's the back of it, the back of the door. So here's the bill reader. Here's the credit card reader goes here. We run along the cables here for you for the credit card reader. If you purchase a credit card reader, we always leave the antenna up here and here. This is the product bin. And this is where the product falls in. This is right here. Elevator goes up, dispenses the product, falls in here. And this is the anti-theft device here because people to prevent them from not putting in their hand. See how it closes?
It's 8 by 8.
Now to put it in and out, you just grab it from here.
Nice little handle.
Yes. Here's the main board. Here's the coin net right here. That's the coin net that comes with the machine. They all fall here, the extra coins. Okay. Now when you put it in, you have an extra storage here. Obviously, here's the cooling unit. Here's the on and off switch. There's little slots here. This is what helps the machine communicate. So when the product falls in, it tells the machine that there's a product there to stop the machine, stop the motor from dispensing it. Okay. So these are the product sensors. This sensor right here detects the tray sensors. So every time the machine does the internal test, it hits the sensor here and says, "Here's the sensor, one sensor that detects the tray, the elevator to stop to dispense the product." There's another sensor right here that tells the machine. So when the elevator goes down, I have to hit. So it'll just come down and stop it in the position like that much right there. This is a pusher sensor. This is what detects when the door goes around. The air cooling unit circulates that, and then
So it goes, the cooling system goes through
all the way up to here.
Up
to here.
Okay.
Okay.
And that distributes very across.
Yeah. So another thing very important here is the maintenance here, because this collects dust. It's sucking in air, and sometimes people don't maintain it, and they leave it get dusty. And what happens? The cooling unit starts to over. Up now. Okay, what it did there, it checked all the sensors of the trays, cabinet, and the product sensors itself. So that's why there's all. If there was an issue, it would give you an error on the display. There you go. And there you have the harness of the machine for the trays. All you have to do is just lower the two locks here, push it forward, and that's it. And it goes to a stop for you. So here you can see here's the trays. These are easy flex extractors, and these are high capacity extractors. And the difference is that the high capacity are for like drinks, and the easy flex are more for like snacks. And then some here are easy flex and high capacity. Okay.
This one is the one.
Easy flex, easy flex, easy flex, easy flex, and then high capacity. As you can see, there's clips on the easy flex. You cannot put those clips on high capacity. And they're very easy to pull off. You just push them, they come right off. And to put them on, you just push them in. That's it. See? You have them here. It's easier for the product to be pushed out. We have plates here. We also have use that type of pusher also because it's wide and it helps bring forward the product easily. These machines here have spacers, as you can see. Okay. Why is it spacious? It's for skinnier product. For example, like a Snickers bar. Now here's the Easy Flex pusher. We have this type of pusher with a high hat and this type of pusher. This pusher right here is for like a big product, like a bag of chips, for example. Okay. When you're reloading the machine, just push it forward and you push it back.
So pull that up, and then you can just push it back. And then you can.
Yeah, and then you just push it. You just twist it, and that's it. Now, also the good thing about this is that, as you can see, there's holes in the belt.
Yes.
Okay. There, that kind of helps you measure the width of the product. So so for example, when we do it, we start off like this, right? So let's say for example, we're gonna put this device in here.
Okay.
Let's make it like this. So what you can do is you kind of put the device like this, and you put here the clip. Okay.
So you can count the holes from that one.
You got it. Then that's it. When you're gonna remove an extractor, all you do is lift up from the top, from the back, push it back, tray harness right here, and you pull it. Oh, sorry, and you pull it, and that's it, and it comes right out. Now, as you can see here is the sensor. So when the elevator does the internal test, it looks for this signal, for this light. So if it doesn't see the light, you'll see it you'll see the error on the display itself. Okay. So what you do is you just grab it. That's it.
This is the full track.
Right,
This is
the
how do you guys-
capacity.
high capacity truck.
Now it comes with the door strap, the drink strap right here. It's preventing, since it's pushing the part forward, instead of forward here, the clip stops it.
Okay.
Okay. So you can always remove these parts. Just push it forward, unclip it, and clear it out.
And that's it.
And then also the dividers. We have tall dividers and small dividers, because this prevents the bottle from falling forward and getting stuck on the rim. Now all you have to do is just push the panel in the back up, lift it up. That's it. Okay. So we usually start from left to right.
Okay.
Okay. Now when you put it in, you kind of look at the way it's gonna go. You get the divider, and you look at the little notches in the front. Okay. So let's say, for example, here it's the third in the middle. Then you just look at here, the third in the middle, and that's it. And there you go. So what we do is we slide it like that to make sure it slides, and just continue. Slip it in, and back here,
This one's over there.
yeah, and you put it right in.
That's right.
Right, you're gonna put it. Okay.
You want to click this out.
So let me just show you really quick. It's just going through the process of operating. It goes, let me put it this way. The two here are quarters, dollars, dimes, nickels, quarters. So all you do is just put it back. So by going to enter, just go down to coin changer, enter. Now here is when you want to reload. You put it here and it's gonna have the zeros. It's always gonna tell you the amount of coins that you're putting in. Okay? Start putting them in and it tells you, it starts counting them. You see the little sides here and it comes off. The bill reader can take up to $20. It goes 1s, 5s, 10s, and 20s. You can always disable the 10s and 5s or 1s or 4s, whatever you want. You can always disable it on the system if you don't want to take that type of a bill. Here, hit it one time, and you're into programming. That's the first thing you're going to see is this. Okay. Now to move forward in the programming is the start. To move back in the programming is the pound. Okay. To enter the option is A. Okay. To go back is C. Okay.
Okay, so this is solid metal.
Yes.
This is solid metal. Right, this is plastic. This little thing.
Well, this little plastic is a coin.
But it's all made out of.
So as you can see here, here's the bracket. Okay. Here's the little part of the coin return.
And everything's solid.
Solid. Yeah, solid.
Solid. Well, solid. That's what
Yes.
I've seen so far.
You can even touch the side. I mean, on the side here. Here. Now this is very important. Checking the motors of the machine. Why? Because here you can check all the motors of the elevators, of the trays, and everything. So you press, so you can press number 1. You touch the elevator motor. You press number 2. Cooling unit.
Okay.
Press A. When it says machine without, that means the machine powers down the cooling unit. When you have it with the cooling unit, it's turning it on. The temperature you have it on is 37.4. You can always adjust it by going to number 1 to go hotter or higher, and then number 2 to go lower.